Welcome to STEM. This is the extracurricular STEM support team, and we are sorting and organizing Legos. All the elementary schools, they use them and compete with them, and then they come back and we sort and organize. The students that we have here are secondary transition students.
If I find these, I have to put this in here.
Those are the students that have graduated from their home high schools, but they're 18 to 22 and they still get to be in Spokane Public Schools.
I do electronic.
Our mission is to help support them find paid employment. Learning how to be an adult, learning, job skills. To come on time, to be professional. We tailor it to each and every student, what they need. Our long-term goal is to find them part-time competitive employment. When the kids find a job that they like, that's all our hard work.